Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name's Elizabeth Ann. I am a college student slash vlogger, and hopefully over this quarantine I'm gonna make some more like regular videos, like cook with me. I want to do one, and kind of like what I eat in a day and that kind of stuff. So yeah, it is currently I think noon, 12:30. It's 12:25. It's Tuesday, April 7th, and I was just watching YouTube. Well, actually, let me take you through my day. I wanted to film like a day in the life on quarantine, but you see, I don't have a schedule, but I'm gonna make a schedule. But I keep staying up late, like until like 3 in the morning, because it's really 2 in the morning my time, and yeah, so then I don't wake up. But I did wake up this morning at like 7:30 because that's what time I wanted to wake up, but then when I woke up my sugar was low, and so after I treated that I went back to sleep. So that's where we are on that. Yeah, I don't even know like what to say. This is like a crazy time, but just continue to be praying for everybody. I hope y'all are staying inside, staying safe, not being dumb and going outside. Well, you can go outside, but not going in public like to stores and stuff. Yeah, and in a minute, once I get my coffee and my caffeine's going through my brain, I'm going to talk about like some things I've been doing to stay sane during this quarantine, because I've been in quarantine for almost a month, right? Yeah, almost. Next week will be a month, because I am immune compromised. So that's fun. Yeah, but I just finished doing everything. I haven't been wearing makeup, but guess what? My skin is still trash, just like everyone else. I don't know why. Probably stress. School is crazy. Is anyone else having like a crazy time with how much like extra like busy work your teachers are giving you? Because mine have like decided to give us just so much extra stuff. Yeah, but okay, I'm gonna finish my skincare routine, which I am gonna do a full one coming soon, but yeah, I'm gonna do that and y'all will see that, and then I am going to go fix some brunch, lunch basically. So yeah, so you guys in a see because of the shutters. Okay, so this is not my typical coffee drink, but I woke up late, so I'm not having a protein shake this morning, so that is why I am, hold on, my thing. Okay, so this is what I ended up cooking. Well, not really cooking, but I have my 2-ingredient Weight Watchers bagel, so I just cut it in half and then, well, cut it in fours, and then I just have an apple, so yeah. Okay, so I literally have accomplished nothing other than I printed out some pictures for another video I'm doing. And it is now 4 o'clock or 10 till 4. And if you have been living under a rock, there is whipped coffee is what they call it. It's like a viral TikTok thing. And I love how like I showered this morning and my hair is this greasy. Okay guys, so if you have been living under a rock, I'm so sorry for you, but I'm going to be making some decaf whipped coffee because I do not need any more caffeine. It's 4 o'clock. I haven't really done anything except for print out pictures from Pinterest, work a little bit of my homework, but not really. And so I'm going to make some whipped coffee, and then, well, decaf coffee, I don't know. I'm going to make some whipped coffee, and then I'm going to sit down and do, my statistics practice, and then I'm going to start dinner and work out. And then I'll eat dinner and kind of relax and take you through a self-care. This is definitely a self-care day. Like I said, I've been super stressed out, and today's the first day like in 2 weeks that I've had to kind of chill. And yeah, so I'm going to work on a little bit of homework, but I'll finish the majority of it tomorrow. So yeah, the way I've been kind of working or trying to work is like get all my homework done like my regular weeks used to be, and then just study on the weekends for whatever I need to study for. So yeah, so let's get into the whipped coffee. Okay, first off, I put it in my mixer so I don't have to sit there and whip it myself. So okay, so next you just grab a coffee or a mug, and then you put ice in it, and then you put milk in it. I'm sorry, EA girl. You grab what? You grab a coffee? Like, oh, did I even have caffeine that day? What was I even trying to say? I was trying to say you grab a cup, you put ice in it. It's really just what I was trying to get across. Yeah, you get it. Sorry for my idiotness. On the inside, it says strong women need strong coffee. It's so cute. Okay, so it's gonna get like this lighter color. It's not quite ready yet, but you'll definitely notice whenever it's ready. Like I said, you're gonna add your milk or whatever. I'm gonna use just 2%. I usually don't use this. If y'all don't know, I'm on Weight Watchers, and I usually use almond milk, but I'm almost out of it, and I won't be getting more until I go to the lake, which is tomorrow. So okay, so I'm gonna put it up. Well, y'all record on the same thing I'm taking the picture on. And this is a really good spot because it has the shutters in front of me, so it has good natural light. And then I'm just gonna take a picture with my whipped coffee. So yeah, let me do that real quick and I'll be right back. Hey guys, guess what? I suck at TikTok.
What the heck is ABCDEFG mean?
So this is what it just looks like. I just put it on my hydro flask. So I set a timer for about 40 minutes. I'm gonna get some more water and then I'm gonna go work on marketing homework and let my phone charge before I work out. So
are we?
I think it's like everyone understanding that we all have different priorities, and like working is just, it's not my top priority. It's never going to be.
So are we cool? Like, are we in agreement?
ABCDEFG. I have to go.
What the heck is ABCDEFG mean?
It's just a phrase I like to use. That means
Is that a real phrase?
the conversation is over.
clearly I don't take myself too seriously. I really just do it for fun. They're so funny. And they're so much fun to do. But yeah, so I'm gonna order this drunk elephant. I'll turn around and show you. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later. I am ordering some drunk elephant products. I ran out of my moisturizers about like around the time I came back from Oklahoma, so I'm ordering some because the ones I have now have been breaking me out. So yeah, also I didn't even show you all my TikTok. Hold on one second, let me see if I can pull it up. I think they're funny, but nobody ever likes my TikToks because I'm a wannabe.
I think it's like,
Because let's see if it'll focus. Yeah, so there's the whipped one, there's the regular one, and then I'm trying to decide if I want to do the sunshine drops or not. I wear them every day and they kind of make me like bronzier, but I don't know. And then I get like 4 or 5 free samples. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab the wipes real quick. Just going to wipe it off. It's just stickers. One of my favorite places to go when I'm in Little Rock, if any of you guys have ever been or go there, is this tavern called White Rock Tavern. And so I mean not White Rock, White Water. I go and see concerts there all the time with my brother. And actually, I was supposed to go see a concert there it was last weekend. Yeah, this past weekend. But of course, I couldn't go because of Corona. So yeah, so I just ordered these in support of them, and then they had a place where you could donate for the employee fund, which I did that too, just because it's really important to keep it local and really support small businesses. And I would hate to see an awesome place like that get shut down over Corona. So yeah, I am going to put this on my water bottle, I think. Let's see. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to ship this one back to my brother. And yeah. Okay. Talk to you guys in a second. Say hi to the vlog.